Hello students. Next example, consider u of 11 equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on 10 with multiplication modulo n. Find order of each element and hence find all generators. U of n means nothing but the set of the numbers which are less than 11 and which are relatively prime with 11. Here 1, 2, 3 and so on 10 are relatively prime with 11. Here n is 11. Find order of each element. To find order of each element, we will find powers of each element till we get identity, that is 1. Here identity is 1 under multiplication modulo n. N is 11. 1 raised to 1 equal to 1 means order of 1 is nothing but the 1. Next, for 2, to find order of 2, 2 raised to 1 equal to 2, 2 raised to 2 equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4, 2 raised to 3 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Similarly, 2 raised to 4 equal to 2 raised to 3 into 2 and 2 raised to 3 is 8. 8 into 2 equal to 16 and under modulo 11, 16 is nothing but the 5 under modulo 11. 2 raised to 5 equal to 2 raised to 4 into 2 which is equal to 2 raised to 4 is 5. 5 into 2 equal to 10. 2 raised to 6 equal to 2 raised to 5 into 2. 2 raised to 5 is 10. 10 into 2 equal to 20 and 20 equal to 9 under modulo 11. So 2 raised to 6 equal to 9. 2 raised to 7 equal to 2 raised to 6 into 2. 2 raised to 6 is 9. 9 into 2 equal to 18 and 80 is congruent to 7 modulo 11 under modulo 11. Therefore 2 raised to 7 equal to 7. 2 raised to 8 equal to 2 raised to 7 into 2. 2 raised to 7 is 7. 7 into 2 equal to 14. Under modulo 11, 14 is 3. 2 raised to 9 equal to 2 raised to 8 into 2 equal to 2 raised to 8 is 3. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 2 raised to 10 equal to 2 raised to 9 into 2. 2 raised to 9 is 6. 6 into 2 equal to 12. Under modulo 11, 12 is 1. 2 raised to, here we get 1 means 2 raised to 10 equal to 1. That is order of 2 is nothing but the 10. Order of 2 equal to 10. We get order of 2 equal to 10. We know that order of A equal to order of A inverse. Here 2 inverse is nothing but the 6. 2 into 6 is 12 and under modulo 11, 12 is 1. Means inverse of 2 is nothing but the 6. 2 inverse equal to 6. That is order of 2 equal to order of 2 inverse by using this result, which implies order of 2 equal to 2 inverse is 6. Order of 6. Order of 2 is nothing but the 10 means order of 2 and order of 6 equal to 10. Similarly, for 3, to find order of 3, 3 raised to 1 is 3. 3 raised to 2 equal to 9. 3 raised to 3 equal to 3 square into 3 means 9 into 3 equal to 27. Under modulo 11, 27 is 5. 3 raised to 4 equal to 3 raised to 3 into 3 equal to 5 into 3. 3 raised to 3 is 5. 5 into 3 equal to 15 under modulo 11. 15 is 4. 3 raised to 5 equal to 3 raised to 4 into 3. 3 raised to 4 is 4. 4 into 3 equal to 12 under modulo 11. 12 is 1. Here we get 3 raised to 5 equal to identity, means order of 3 equal to 5. Inverse of 3 is 3 into 4 equal to 12 under modulo 11. 12 is 1. So we get 3 inverse equal to 4. So order of 3 equal to order of 3 inverse, which implies order of 3 equal to order of 4 equal to 5. Now to find order of 5, order of 5, 5 raised to 1 equal to 5, 5 raised to 2 equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25 under modulo 11. 25 is 3. 5 cube equal to 5 square into 5 equal to 3 into 5, because 5 square is 3. 3 into 5 is 15 under modulo 11. 15 is 4. 5 raised to 4 is 5 cube into 5. 5 cube is 4. 4 into 5 equal to 20 under modulo 11. 20 is 9. 5 raised to 5 equal to 5 raised to 4 into 5. 5 raised to 4 is 9. 9 into 5 equal to 45 under modulo 11. 45 equal to 1. That means order of 5 equal to 5. Order of 5 equal to 5, because 5 raised to 5 equal to 1. That's why order of 5 equal to 5. Inverse of 5 is 5 into 9 equal to 45 under modulo 11. 45 is 1, means 5 inverse equal to 9, means order of 5 equal to order of 5 inverse, which implies order of 5 equal to order of 9. 5 inverse is 9, is 5. Now to find order of 7, we get 7 raised to 1 equal to 7. 7 raised to 2 equal to 7 into 7 equal to 49 under modulo 11. 49 is 5. 7 raised to 3 is 7 square into 7 equal to 7 square is 5. 5 into 7 equal to 35 under modulo 11. 35 is 2. 7 raised to 4 equal to 7 cube into 7. 7 cube is 2. 2 into 7 equal to 14 under modulo 11. 14 is 3. 7 raised to 5 equal to 7 raised to 4 into 7. We get 7 raised to 4 is 3. 3 into 7 equal to 21 under modulo 11. 21 equal to 10. 7 raised to 6 equal to 7 raised to 5 into 7. 7 raised to 5 is 10. 10 into 7 equal to 70 under modulo 11. 70 equal to 4. 7 raised to 7 equal to 7 raised to 6 into 7. 7 raised to 6 is 4. 4 into 7 equal to 28 under modulo 11. 28 is 6. 7 raised to 8 equal to 7 raised to 7 into 7. 7 raised to 7 is nothing but D. 6. 6 into 7 we get 42 under modulo 11. 42 is 9. 7 raised to 9 equal to 7 raised to 8 into 7 equal to 7 raised to 8 is 9. 9 into 7 equal to 63 under modulo 11. 63 is 8. 7 raised to 10 equal to 7 raised to 9 into 7 equal to 7 raised to 9 is 8. 8 into 7. 8 into 7 equal to 56 under modulo 11. 56 is 1. So order of 7 equal to 10 because here we get identity, so order of 7 equal to 10, and inverse of 7 is nothing but the 8 into 7 equal to 56, which is equal to 1 under modulo 11. So 7 inverse equal to 8 means order of 7 equal to order of 7 inverse, which implies order of 7 equal to order of 8, which is equal to 10. Now to find order of 10, 10 raised to 1 equal to 10, 10 raised to 2 equal to 10 into 10 equal to 100 under modulo 11, 100 equal to 1, so order of 10 equal to 2. Here we get order of 10 equal to 2, order of 7, 8 equal to 10, order of 5, 9 equal to 5, order of 2 equal to 10, order of 3, 4 equal to 5. Means we get, just a minute, start with the beginning of to find orders. Order of 2 equal to order of 6 equal to 10, order of 3 equal to order of 4 equal to 5, order of 5 equal to order of 9 equal to 5, order of 7 equal to order of 8 equal to 10, order of 10 equal to 2, and order of 1 equal to 1. This can also be right mod 2 mod 6 equal to 10 means order of 2 order of 6 equal to 10. Also O stands for order, means we get here order of 1 equal to 1, order of 2 equal to 10, order of 3 equal to 5, order of 4 equal to 5, order of 5 equal to 5, order of 6 equal to 10, order of 7 equal to 10, order of 8 equal to 10, order of 9 equal to 5, order of 10 equal to 2. Now to find generators, if the elements have order 10 means number of element in that set, these number are nothing but the generators of that numbers. Here order of 2 equal to 10, order of 6 equal to 10, order of 7 equal to 10, order of 8 equal to 10 means 2, 6, 7, 8 are nothing but the generators of U of 11. Hence 2, 6, 7, 8 are the generators of U of 11. So here we find in the example is consider U of 11 equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on 10 with multiplication modulo n, find order of each element and hence find all generators. Here we find order of each element of U of 11 and also the generators of U of 11. 2, 6, 7, 8 are nothing but the generators of U of 11. We stop here.